everyone, welcome back to our art and craft page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful crafts. First, we are making a Santa Claus and the penguins like this using the peanut shells. Next, we will make a snowflake using the earbuds like this. Join them in the lines as shown in the video, stick it and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more beautiful crafts using the different craft items. So here we'll be making a beautiful house using the sticks like this. So join the earbuds like this, make a snowman near it using the paper, color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a reindeer like this. So first, we will take a brown color paper and draw the circles on it and cut it out. Now stick its eyes, ears and then its horns. Now make a muffler on its neck and stick it on the water bottle cap and it's ready. Next, take a leaf and make the tree using it like this. Decorate the Christmas tree and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll make a man walking using the papers. So take a paper box like this and cut it out. Now join it using the wire like this. Fix it. Now take a paper and make a man out of it and it's ready. So take a green color paper and fold it in a shape of a cone. Make its eyes and its mouth and it's ready. Next, we'll make a ladybird using the orange peel. Stick it like this on the leaf, make its eyes, draw the patterns on its body, draw its legs, and it's ready. Next, we will make a firefly in the jar. So make a jar like this, then using the yellow color, print the fingerprints like this, make its wings. Now put the fairy light on the back of it, and your fireflies are ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.